just going to take you through a wee setup, power washing setup, how we get rigged up for the job. So
adapter to the tap, obviously.
Adapter to the tap.
Yeah. Yeah, that's picture you put right there. Hose.
So you're taking the hose out the driveway, Neil?
Close to a power washer, DC, just where we can have a reservoir.
So are we taking the power washer out of the van, or are we leaving it in the van?
No, we can leave it in the van, the van's close enough for it.
Right, open that side door there and give him a juke.
Put the hose in here, oh, this is a reservoir.
So this is where reservoir, that's a 220 litre water butt out of B&Q. I think it was £25. You can, anybody that doesn't have this, you can use a wheelie bin, you know, like a blue wheelie bin. Oh yeah, see. What are you doing? What are you doing in my van? So you can use a wheelie bin if you haven't got a water butt. So
You can use whatever you want, really, hey?
Yep.
Well, it has to,
as long as there's no holes in it.
It has to hold a certain amount depending on the pressure of your power washer, what sort of you're going through a minute. Because if you have a wee small bucket in your power washer,
Exactly.
it'll just be going, there's no point.
100%. So I think a wheelie bin is 250 litres. That there's 220 litres of water. So this power washer, this here throws out 21 litres per minute. So every minute it's throwing out 21 litres a minute. So it's a
lot of water.
A lot of water, Neil. Sure, on the van, just with ropes. Sometimes we can leave it in the van. We don't have to take it out of the van. It's a ton weight, doesn't it, Neil?
Yeah. What does it weigh? Do you know? It's like because it's a heavy machine.
I'm not too sure. When I bought it, the guy I bought it off, he mounted it onto this frame. So
I don't know. I get where he was going with, but not the idea. Would have been better putting on four wheels on that thing.
this isn't the ideal setup you want when you're landing to a property. Our plan going forward now is we're going to get a double axle trailer. We want this here mounted onto the back of the trailer. We're going to have our surface cleaner. We have our turbo nozzle, and so we'll pull up to the property and the trailer, power washer mounted, 30-metre reel, just pull out. We'll have a tank in the back of the trailer as well, so like a water butt or like a cube, and that'll be our water source. So everything's done on the trailer. So that's what the plan is going forward for this power washing setup.
And
Anything you want to add, Dave?
what's these nozzles all about then? These what are these?
These are quick release fittings. So all your fittings just snap on and out of these. Really handy.
We'll set up so that every attachment, every product kit that you've got now.
Male and female connectors, as you can see. This here fits.
That's the lance with a turbo nozzle.
Yeah.
And then what else have we got on there? Alright, and that's the turbo nozzle on there.
So that's the turbo nozzle on the end of that. What we want to do is get quick release fittings on this as well, so we can just click on and out. Easy fittings. As I say, this is a 30-metre reel. Just follow me.
Yep.
So I'm pulling this out of the van here, guys. Don't need to move it. So that's the distance we need now for this concrete driveway.
And there's still plenty left in there.
Still plenty left in there. Just walk back up there and show them. So as we speak, this bucket's filling up with water now. This water butt. We're going to get some petrol under the power washer, and
there's the reel there. Look, as you can see, there's still plenty more left on that than another 8 meters or so. And yeah, everything just makes life a lot easier when you're power washing, because
so what we want to do as well, come the winter in the UK, gardeners, all the gardeners know, it gets quiet, all the grass cutting stops, which is the bread and butter. Hedging work, as you can see what me and Neil do day in and day out, we're just doing bits and pieces, everything now in the winter. Exterior cleaning services, roofs, cleaning roofs, fishes, gutters, soffits, concrete driveways, pathways, brick, so all that kind of stuff. So just trying to keep the business built up and keep moving up and moving up, you know. So I'm just shifting this so I can get a clean pull at it.
Should be so much handier now if we were on the trailer, wouldn't it, Johnny?
Oh, exactly. Like, look at this, it's a bit of a handling, but it gets the job done in the meantime.
And this is still a fairly good setup, like fairly organised.
Decent enough setup, but it's just what do you call it? Awkward.
It's a big clumpy, heavy
you know,
machine. So
I'm turning this round in order to get me pull cord so I can get a clean swing at it. So once we have it like that, we're good to go. So guys, that's us kicked up now. All started up, ready to go. So what we're doing now, basically we're waiting on the pressure to build up on this turbo nozzle. Takes it a few minutes to build up now.
all the water has to get flowing through the pipes. Everything has to get work out all the air. Like there's a lot of pipe there, like between the hose and this, you talk of 50 metres of pipe that has to work through, like.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, get this done now guys. As you can see, it's minging. Back in a bit. Nice and clean, Neil.
Yeah, comes out well.
Turns out well. What about that for a job, guys? You can eat your dinner off that. Clean as a whistle.